Right folks, how's it going? It's Des Cattys. I'm out with the guys for a sort of a Christmas meet-up, and I'm literally just having a brew at the moment. I didn't do all the early bits of videoing of setting up. I'm in the swag this weekend, or this overnighter type setup, you know, pretty simple really. We're in kind of a field area, so I didn't want to sort of just bore you with all that anyway, so I've got the good old jet balls on and get myself a coffee on. So yeah, I mean, this video folks, just be kind of warned that there ain't going to be hardly any bushcraft going on, if nothing at all. We are literally all just socialise. It's a social event. All right, I'll be recording some of the conversation that goes on later when the beer starts flowing, and especially with Mac Tightwad here. So, you know, if you know Mac, know of him, then you know how the conversation will be, and then with the rest of the guys as well. All right, so this is really more for sort of comedy value, just a bit of fun, okay? And it won't be a long video as such. It'll just, you know, obviously I'll record snippets, put it together, but I'm not going to have it as a long video, okay? It's just going to be, you know, bits and pieces going on the you know, for our little meet-up, pre-Christmas meet-up as it were, and a pre-drink up. All right, so that's a bit of a long intro, wasn't it? So stay tuned. Mrs picked me up this the other week when she went to London for a night out with her mate, and some Harvey Nichols. So a nice bit of posh coffee really. So Dave's got some Baileys, so I'm going to have a posh Baileys coffee.
Couldn't get out of bed.
No.
But I went to bed Sunday night, got up Monday morning. I was like, complete different. I was like better than normal on a Monday morning. You just couldn't believe it, the difference.
Piss sockhead. Look at this, right? We always say that Mac's got he's got an Allen. Look at this coffee. Viscounts.
No, every man's got to have
tray service.
a trolley dolly, sir.
If there's any sort of regular infantryman watching this,
Oh, cheers, mate. Thank you.
this guy is ex-infantry apparently.
Des, you know,
He never ate anything in the old man.
Oh my god.
When I was a kid, they were like really posh biscuits, like, you know what I mean? But now, no, Al was a good lad. Well, mate,
He used it, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Get
Oh, yeah.
chucked away.
I told you that Stella was a first aid can.
Fixes many ailments.
Yeah.
You can't sit around that way, Alan. It's a bit unsociable.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, he's a Batman. He can't. He's not allowed, is he?
He ain't got permission yet. Turn round yet.
When you said you didn't have a cup, mate, I thought you meant you were going to drink out of these.
Oh no, just brew it in.
The ones that hadn't done it, it was just a nice evening, afternoon.
I haven't been to the bushcraft show since probably the last time. Is that last one when all the shaky lads went?
Yeah,
When we were there.
I don't think if it's in the same location next year, then we most won't go because it was like literally like a 2-mile walk from the campsite to.
He's actually kissing the wind. He's on the
I
other
know.
side.
Oh, really?
The cars,
Your love of
train
communism
managers walking past.
shows.
Wouldn't do that.
I
Well,
love
said,
good kit, sir.
you know when we're
They got
going
that
in the
right.
toilet flush.
I'll blow out the window.
Although, don't let Matt know, but I like that blue jacket, that forward.
Just
That's
the
how
free
it
for all as to where it goes, you know.
Yeah, exactly.
He said, there's no easy way to dress this up there.
It's a bit messy.
Oh no, yeah. I do right. You don't know where those windows have been, or more to the point.
Yeah, I was in Nordic Outdoors in somewhere in the Lake District now.
It was worth the 100 quid I paid for it, put it that way.
Yeah, no,
Even with the dodges in.
The tongue.
yeah. The Vascalika ones, I do them in blue, and it's the same blue as that, and on.
Yeah, but it's Fellraven.
It's alright, mate.
Ray Mears
Don't
wears
look-
Fellraven.
It's a nice, you know, when you see something you like it, I'll take the badge off because you lot take the piss. I'm not a badge man. The only badge I wear is the
Where
one
did you get that from?
blood, sweat and tears, and that's it.
Mark, Army Surplus in twice a day. Somebody had traded it in for him. So,
Yeah, it does fit you all right, actually, doesn't it? Considering
it's like a 4XL, and I have got swan dry underneath as well, so there's loads of room.
I don't know. Actually.
See, that's why we call him Matt Tiny.
Yeah, because I've got a little cock.
Inside the zipper.
No one's touching the zipper.
Ed's little mushroom, Willie.
Button mushroom.
Button.
Pains in here, right, and here, and there's a touch of it, nothing like it was.
Well, it's got to get into your system, so...
Yeah, so it's just...
Time management reminds you how long you play for. And take a break whenever you want to using time off.
Read that one earlier and your hair's still standing. Yeah. Tell you what, I fucking hate it.
Yes, mate. Oh, right, so leave it over. You know, you went too long, you think we're married. No, you can look after me. I'm not like, you know.
Look after yourself and helping you out.
You know, you're just like.
Well, hello, ladies and gentlemen. So, Monsieur Cattys, Sunday morning. I'm walking on my estate with my my cup of Darjeeling coffee, and Sunday morning, fog's in. It's been in all weekend, really misty. But everyone's, you know, it's the kind of always the anticlimax of a weekend, isn't it? When you've got to pack up. So people are just sort of gradually packing up, and that's it. I hope to get out between Christmas and New Year, going up to a mate's spot somewhere up towards the middle of the country. So we're going to be out between Christmas and New Year. So stay tuned for that one. Might have a couple of intermittent videos in between, who knows? But anyway, yeah. It was a cracking weekend, lots of banter. Unfortunately, because of the way snowflakes are in the world, there's a lot of subject matter that we would not be able to put on the camera. It'd probably get me banned off of YouTube. So because of that, obviously some of the conversation can't be heard or seen because it would obviously offend people. So anyway, I think I'll knock it on the head there, folks. So everyone have a really good Christmas, and stay tuned for more videos if you get entertained by them. Alright, so have a good one, folks. Take care.